Good morning, everyone. You're watching Farmer with Greg, where we farm it, fix it, fire it up. All right. Today, my goal is to remove and place all of these brick. Start making a nice shape out here, and then taking. Ooh, you see? I just noticed this. That could be a problem. We'll see. Maybe it'll line up perfect and I don't have to chainsaw it, but if I do, I'll dig around it, use my little saw, and get that out of here. I don't have the big chainsaw to take this out, so we'll just leave it here. But I'm going to take all these blocks, start shaping, making a little berm out here. Not a berm, sorry, a wall. And then I can start building this thing up. I did pretty good. The water's a little high, of course, go figure. So there's some block down in there. You can kind of see that's fluffed off last time. Anyways, I'm gonna get started. Here we go.
Sun on my face, boots in the dirt. Name's Greg, that's right. Let's get the shirt a little stained. Hey! Coffee in the cab, still on the ground. Worn out cap, spinning this farm life round. Seed in my hand, rain on the tin. Pull that gate, let the day roll in. sun beat down on a busted old tractor, boots full of dust, got hair in my hair. Long, long road, same song on the radio, sweat on my back, but I ain't going nowhere. 'Cause I'm farming with Greg, yeah, that's my name. Hands in the dirt, heart in the game. Yeah, when the work day's done, light that flame. Barbecue, life, cocaine, good friends, same last name. I'm farming with Greg, farming with Greg. Kick off the mud on the porch by the grill, dogs at my heel, kids chasing in the yard. Smoke starts rising, that sweet backyard perfume. Hard days hurt turns to laughing in the dark. 'Cause I'm farming with Greg, yeah, that's my name. Hands in the dirt, heart in the game. Well, when the work day's done, light that flame. Barbecue, life, cocaine, good friends, same last name. I'm farming with Greg, farming with Greg. Callous palms, cracked knuckles, sunburned neck. Oh yeah. Wouldn't trade 1 acre, not 1 speck. Flip that steak, turn it up, what you expect. This is good dirt living, sun and smoke by Greg. I'm farming with Greg.
All right, well, we did pretty good today. I'm pretty happy. Let's just scan this thing over and I'll show you. So from this morning, I graded it all out. You can actually see some of the channels, if you want to call it. One goes out that way. I got a couple roots I need to remove. And then this one goes out this way, and it originates right here. I just put the rocks in it to hold it down. Got my tubing. Thought about turning it on and see what happens, but I didn't want to necessarily do that right now. Anyways, a pretty productive day, I think. Yeah, there's the liner, and over there is the underlayment put underneath so it doesn't poke holes all in it. That thing right there, the pick. Ugh. Useful tool, my worst enemy. Thanks for watching Farming with Greg. Farm it, fix it, fire it up! It's about all the energy I have for today. It's hot. Anyways, thanks for watching, everyone. Stay tuned. I'll get this thing fine graded, put the underlayment, see the channels, see what's going on, and then I'll put the pond liner down. It's gonna be good, gonna be good. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great week.